Airframe AMT Study Guide, Aircraft Fuel Systems. Let's get your A&P license. Question 8759. What is the purpose of flapper-type check valves in integral fuel tanks? Answer: to prevent fuel from flowing away from the boost pumps. Explanation: some integral fuel tanks have flapper-type check valves that allow fuel to flow to the booster pump, but prevent rough air or abrupt flight maneuvers from causing the fuel to flow away from the booster pump. Some aircraft also have a pump removal, flapper-type check valve that allows a booster pump to be removed from the tank without having to first drain the tank. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8760. What unit is generally used to actuate the fuel pressure warning system? Answer: pressure-sensitive mechanism. Explanation: a pressure-sensitive mechanism, generally a bellows, is used to actuate the fuel pressure warning system. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8768. In some aircraft with several fuel tanks, the possible danger of allowing the fuel supply in one tank to become exhausted before the selector valve is switched to another tank is prevented by the installation of. Answer: a fuel pressure warning signal system. Explanation: fuel pressure warning signal systems are installed in many large aircraft to warn the pilot or flight engineer that a tank has been emptied and a full tank should be selected. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8779. What precautions must be observed if a gravity-feed fuel system is permitted to supply fuel to an engine from more than one tank at a time? Answer: the tank airspaces must be interconnected. Explanation: if a gravity-feed fuel system is permitted to supply fuel to an engine from more than one tank at a time, the airspace above the fuel in the tanks must be interconnected. Reference: 14 CFR Part 23. Question 8783. Fuel boost pumps are operated. Answer: to provide a positive flow of fuel to the engine. Explanation: fuel boost pumps are used to provide a positive flow of fuel from the tank to the engine. Boost pumps are used for engine starting, as a backup for takeoff and landing, and in many cases, to transfer fuel from one tank to another. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8705. Which procedure must be followed when defueling aircraft with swept-back wings? Answer: defuel the outboard wing tanks first. Explanation: unless the service manual specifies otherwise, the outboard fuel tanks on an aircraft with swept-back wings should be defueled first. This procedure minimizes the twisting effect on the wing caused by the fuel being located behind the wing attachment points on the fuselage. Reference: FAA H808331. Keep studying. Every question takes you closer to your FAA certification.